Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Gadget Traveler. Today we have an incredible story to share with you. We're diving into the life and experience of an inspiring globetrotter, Jessica Festa, known for her insatiable thirst for exploration and her passion for off-the-beaten-path adventures. Jessica has become a true role model for travelers around the world. So grab your passports, fasten your seatbelts, and join us as we uncover the remarkable journey of Jessica Festa. Jessica Festa's story is one that resonates with countless travel enthusiasts. Her journey began in her early 20s when she decided to break free from the ordinary and embrace a life of adventure. Armed with a camera and an unquenchable curiosity, she set off to explore the world, one destination at a time. Hi everyone. I believe that travel has the power of transform lives. Through my blog and social media platforms, I strive to inspire others on step out of their comfort zones and discover the beauty and diversity of our planet. Jessica Wanna's journey quickly gained recognition for its authentic and detailed travel narratives. But what truly gets her apart is her dedication to promoting sustainable and responsible tourism. Jessica's family believes in leaving a positive impact on the destination she visits, whether it's participating in volunteer projects, supporting local business, or raising awareness about environmental conservation. She goes the extra mile to make a difference. From hiking remote trails in the Himalayas to diving into the depths of the Great Barrier Reef, Jessica's adventures have taken her to the far corners of the earth. She fearlessly immerses herself in new cultures, always seeking unique experience and sharing them with her followers. Travel has taught me the value of embracing diversity and breaking down cultural barriers. It's about celebrating our difference while discovering our shared humanity. Every encounter has the potential to change our perspectives and broaden for horizons. Jessica's infectious enthusiasm and thirst for knowledge have also inspired her to become an advocate for responsible travel practices. Through her workshops and speaking engagements, she empowers others to become conscious travelers, encouraging them to make informed choices that benefits both of environment and the local communities. Jessica's family believes that we should leave a positive footprint wherever we go, whether it's volunteering with local organizations, supporting eco-friendly initiatives, or connecting with the communities she visits. She constantly strives to make a difference. Travelers should be a force for good, leaving a positive impact wherever we go. By supporting local economics, respecting cultural traditions, and minimizing our ecological footprint, we can ensure the future generation can also enjoy the wonders of this world. From hiking through lush rainforest to swimming in crystal clear waters, Jessica's adventures have taken her to breathtaking locations around the world. Her passion for exploring of the beaten path destinations shines through in every story she tells. Jessica's passion for travel extends beyond just exploring new places. She believes in the power of storytelling and has used her platform to shed light on important social issues. I have encountered incredible people on my journeys, individuals whose stories deserve to be heard through my blog. I strive to amplify their voices and to create a deeper connection between travelers and the communities they visit. Each one of us has the ability to create changes through travel by making conscious choices, supporting local business, and preserving the environment. We can make a positive impact on the communities we visit. Together, we can create a more sustainable and inclusive world. Every person has a story to tell, and it's through sharing these stories that we can cultivate empathy and understanding. By amplifying voices that are often unheard, we can bring attention to the challenges and trophies of people around the world. Jessica's dedication and impact have not gone unnoticed. She has been recognized with numerous awards and accolades, including being named one of the top 10 travel influencers to watch. And the recipient of the Outstanding Travel Blog Award. Jessica encountered incredible people on my journey. These stories deserve to be heard through my blog. I strive to amplify their voices and create a deeper connection between travelers and the communities they visit. Jessica's passion for travel extends beyond just exploring new places. She believes in the power of storytelling and has used her platform to shed light on important social issues. Jessica's adventures have taken her to breathtaking locations around the world. Her passion for exploring of the beaten path destinations shine through in every story she tells. She is always minimizing our ecological footprint. Jessica's dedication and impact have not gone unnoticed. She has been recognized with numerous awards for accolades, including being named one of the top 10 travel influencers to watch and the recipient of the Outstanding Travel Blog Award. So, wherever you are an inspiring travel or simply looking for inspiration, Jessica Festa's story will remind you the endless possibilities that await beyond your comfort zone. That's it for today's adventure. Don't forget to check our Gadget Traveler for more exciting travel stories and practical tips. Until next time, keep exploring, keep discovering, and keep spreading love and understanding through travel. Please like, comment, and share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you, everyone. Goodbye.